So today we're going to go back in time and we're going to take a look at the iPhone 5. We're going to unbox a brand new 64 gigabyte slate gray iPhone 5 to honor the new iPhones, the iPhone 12, 12 mini, 12 Pro, and 12 Pro Max, the redesign, going back in time to the iPhone 5, one of my favorite iPhones of all time. This is the slate gray 64 gigabyte model, $400 when this came out in 2012. The first iPhone to have a lightning connector, a 4-inch display, bumping up from the 3.5-inch display from the 4 and the 4S. Let's jump in, take a look at the slate gray iPhone 5. Let's open it up in honor of the new iPhones. Again, this is the 64 gigabyte slate gray. Again, one of my favorite colors. The slim box here on the iPhone. I might even throw my SIM in this thing, see if I can use it to see how far. I want to see where, when this phone came out, right? It was top of the line specs. Everything about this phone was premium. Can I use it today? Right? How far have we come in technology? And how far back can I go before it frustrates the hell out of me? Well, let's just take a look. So the packaging, you see the picture of the iPhone on the top, on the back, the 64 gigabyte model. Tells us all about it, the FCC stuff, the IMEI number, all that stuff on the bottom. iPhone 5 in black, black on the side. Let's open this guy up. Man, I'm excited about this. Take a look at a brand new slate gray iPhone 5. Oh man, I have always loved this phone, this design. So beautiful, premium. You know, we got to do the Can you guys look at that? Look how clean that is. The boxy designs, the buttons for the volume up and down, the mute switch, the power button on the top of the phone. Remember that on the top? The one camera lens on the back that was an 8 megapixel camera and a 1.2 megapixel camera on the front. The home button, this was the physical home button on the front. Again, this is the first time that we had the lightning connector. The headphone jack still here, the speakers on the bottom. This was running the A6 chip, 1 gigabyte of RAM in here. 1 gigabyte of RAM, imagine that. Let's put this down. I doubt there's any power, we might have to charge that up. See what else came in the box back then. So, the ear pods, all right, brand new pair of ear pods. 5-watt adapter to charge. And of course, the lightning connector, the first lightning connector on an iPhone. And inside of here, we do have the SIM card tool. Hello, let's see if there's any Apple stickers, right? Maybe we got some Apple stickers in here. No Apple stickers. That's disappointing. So I'm going to throw this guy on the charger. We'll take a closer look and we'll check out iOS 6. All right, guys, so we have some power. I did put in my info. We're at the home screen. And if you remember with this phone, you did have to throw a SIM in here to get it to that home screen, to activate it, and to get into the phone. Now, unfortunately, I definitely did get scammed with this phone. And man, it's been sitting here for years. So I wish I would have known. So if we go into general and we click on about, you can see it's running iOS 10.3.3. Good news is I can jailbreak it. The bad news is it's not running iOS 6. This phone should be on iOS 6 or any version of iOS 6 depending on the release dates. So the iPhone 5, look, the boxy design of the iPhone 12, I'm definitely excited about it. I will be picking up the Pro Max, but I did want to check out and go back in time a little bit, check out one of my favorite iPhones of all time, the iPhone 5 slate gray. I just love the look of this. It's just beautiful. It's just a beautiful phone. Digging it. Before, we don't even have Touch ID on here. The 5S is when Touch ID did come out. The screen on here, 4-inch display. Remember the 4S had the 3.5-inch display. The power button on the top, A6, 1 gig of RAM, 32 nanometer chip in here. Battery life on here was around 8 hours. At least that's what they're saying in the specs. I really don't remember, but I never had a problem with battery life on an iPhone back in the day, especially with a screen size of this size. Now this was an aluminum shell on here as well, and this was the first iPhone to run LTE, to run 4G. The 4S were all running 3G, so it's kind of cool, right? We're going now to 5G. The first iPhone, the iPhone 12, is running 5G, and right here, this phone is the first one to run LTE, to run 4G. So I'm glad I did this. Brings me back a little bit of nostalgia, and I'm just looking forward to the new iPhones. But that's it, guys. I just wanted to unbox the iPhone 5 just in honor of the new phone. So slate gray iPhone 5, the boxy design is back. I, for one, am definitely excited. Again, I will be picking up the 12 Pro Max in blue, hopefully, as long as I can get in on that pre-order. That's it, guys. I'll be back soon. Peace.